Ewen Stewart, you are the author of Much Cost, Little Benefit, which is the white paper that's recently been published by the Scottish Research Society. We'll go into the detail of the paper in just a moment or two, but would you be so kind just to give me a brief overview as to the starting point?
Yes, critical debate coming up 18th of September. But I find it extraordinary that there was not a comprehensive examination of what an independent Scotland would look like from an economic and financial perspective. So what we sought to do was just to stand back, take an independent assessment of the drivers of the Scottish economy and how Scotland would fare as a separated independent country.
And what are the sources of data for this document?
Well, we went to primary sources. Most of the data actually comes from official Scottish Government data that's freely available online. Also the Office of National Statistics, the UK Statistical Agency, Eurostat and other primary sources.
And because of the nature of the beast, because we don't really know what's going to happen post the 18th, there's been a number of assumptions made in the document.
Yeah. Well, should Scotland vote to separate, there would be a debate on a number of issues, how oil is split, the national debt, currency, etc. We have tried to look at this in a fairly favourable light from a Scottish perspective. We have assumed that Scotland takes its per population share of national debt, which I think most people assume would be the case. We've looked at oil in two ways. We've looked at a population share of oil, and we've looked at the most favourable scenario, which would be a geographic share of oil. We've assumed that Scotland does join the European Union, and that is itself greatly open to debate, albeit not on the terms that the British government currently enjoys. So I think our assumptions are fair and reasonable, and there's a sliding scale, if you like, in terms of oil and national debt.